Where the world will be with AI in 10 years. From the invention of steam engines in 1784 to the invention of electricity in 1840, we have seen quite a lot when it comes to revolution and inventions. And new inventions are now taking place in the field of AI. The age we live in now has already seen a lot of advancement in the field of machine learning and AI. But what are the future prospects of AI? Watch the video till the end to learn more. Hello and welcome back to this channel, everyone. If this is your first time visiting, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Before we get started, make sure to press that notification bell to ensure that you receive all of our channel updates well on time. That being said, let's begin. AI, or artificial intelligence, seems to be on the tip of everyone's tongue these days. While we have been aware of this major trend in tech development for quite a while, we have also noticed AI appearing more and more like one of the most in-demand areas of expertise for job seekers. People all around the world are already seeking high-held positions like AI engineer, natural language processing engineer, researcher, and many other career paths in big tech companies. It is predicted that by the end of 2030, AI will no longer be getting adopted with simple scenarios and applications. Artificial intelligence models will be expected to detect life-threatening diseases in the nascent stage, predict digital collaborator to the human race. These are just a few possibilities of the potential impact of AI on life and work in the coming years. The pace of change has been unprecedented in the sector, and it promises to continue in the same vein in the years to come. It was John McCarthy who invented the term artificial intelligence in the year 1950. He proclaimed, "Every aspect of learning or any other feature of intelligence can in principle be so precisely described that a machine can be made to simulate it. An attempt will be made to find out how to make machines use language, form abstractions and concepts, solve the kinds of problems that are now reserved for humans, and improve themselves." We all have been familiar with the phrase, "We are humans, we are built to make mistakes." The phrase, human error, was born because humans make mistakes from time to time. Computers, however, do not make these mistakes if they are programmed properly. With artificial intelligence, the decisions are taken from the previously gathered information applying a certain set of algorithms. So errors are reduced, and the chance of reaching accuracy with a greater degree of precision is a possibility. Around 15 to 20 years ago, when people planned to go somewhere, they used to inquire other people who already went to the same place for directions. But now all we have to do is say, "Okay Google, where is Brooklyn?" It will show you Brooklyn's location on Google Maps and the best path between you and Brooklyn. With artificial intelligence, doctors can now predict breast cancer in a woman at earlier stages using advanced AI-based technologies. Thus, with rapid and revolutionary inventions in the field of artificial intelligence, it is no longer a mystical technology, but something that humans can now interact with within nearly every sphere of life. In fact, the transformation led by AI has been so pervasive that it is deeply influencing user experience and how humans interact with brands and technologies. The way things are moving forward, artificial intelligence will soon become an undeniable part of human life and society. We all are literally living in a time where artificial intelligence is ruling the IT industries, and people are going mad over the various inventions that have been coming so far. From Siri to Alexa to self-driving cars, we have come a long way. But this is something so powerful that has been so helpful to humanity so far must have at least some cons, right? Yes, you're right. Artificial intelligence also has a darker version. The most widespread saying is that AI will replace jobs, as AI is replacing the majority of repetitive tasks and other work with robots. Human interference is becoming less, which will cause a major problem in the employment standards. Every organization is looking to replace the minimum qualified individuals with AI robots that can do similar work with more efficiency. Thus, replacing humans with AI can lead to unemployment and might also hinder human communication skills. Also, machines can only perform those tasks which they are designed or programmed to do. Anything out of what it is programmed for will make them confused, and then AI models will start giving out irrelevant and unwanted outputs and will finally crash. For years, Tesla CEO Elon Musk warned people about the dangers of AI-powered robots, even predicting scary outcomes like in the Terminator. But now he seems to be taking matters into his own hands before humanity is overrun. The electric vehicle company will develop a humanoid robot prototype dubbed the Tesla Bot. Musk announced at Tesla's Artificial Intelligence AI Day on Thursday. According to Musk, the prototype will be completed sometime in 2022. Though the billionaire entrepreneur is known for blowing past his own publicly stated deadlines on large, flashy projects. For example, in 2016, Musk promised full self-driving vehicles by 2018, writing on Twitter, In about 2 years, someone should work anywhere connected by land and not blocked by borders. That is, you're in LA and the car is in New York. Tesla billionaire Elon Musk is also known for high-profile companies like Tesla and SpaceX. But the billionaire also has a handful of unusual ventures. One of them, he says, he started to one day achieve: symbiosis between the human brain and the artificial intelligence. Neuralink is Musk's neural interface technology company. Simply put, it is building technology that could be embedded in a person's brain, where it could both record brain activity and potentially stimulate it. Musk likes to talk up his futuristic vision for the technology, merging human consciousness with AI. The tech has plenty of near-term potential, medical applications, such as the treatment of Parkinson's disease. In the last 10 years, artificial intelligence has changed the world in subtle but sweeping ways. Voice recognition and digital assistants are just some of the applications of AI that have been invented as of yet. Over the next 10 years, AI will make more astounding and mind-blowing progress as per predictions. With numerous inventions coming every day, it will soon touch absolutely every aspect of our lives. Automobile manufacturing companies like Toyota, Audi, Volvo, and Tesla are already making use of machine learning to train computers to think and evolve like humans when it comes to driving in any environment and object detection to avoid accidents. Another sector where artificial intelligence applications have found prominence is the gaming sector. AI can be used to create smart, human-like NPCs to interact with the players. It can also be used to predict human behavior, using which game design and testing can be improved. Robotics is yet another field where artificial intelligence applications are commonly used. Robots powered by AI use real-time updates to sense obstacles in their path and pre-plan their journey instantly. These robots can be used for carrying goods in hospitals, factories, warehouses, cleaning offices, etc. While AI has made major strides towards replicating the efficacy of human intelligence in executing certain tasks, there are still major limitations. In particular, AI programs are typically only capable of specialized intelligence, meaning they can solve only one problem and execute only one task at a time. Often, they can be rigid and unable to respond to any changes in input or perform any thinking outside of their prescribed programming. Humans, however, possess generalized intelligence, with the kind of problem-solving, abstract thinking, and critical judgment that will continue to be important in business. Human judgment will be relevant, if not in every task, then certainly throughout every level across all sectors. Thus, AI will probably not make human workers obsolete, at least not for a long time. To put some of your fears to bed, the robots are probably not coming for your jobs, at least not yet. All in all, the future of AI holds more inventions that will bring us closer to an unparalleled future. But more on that in later videos. Don't forget to comment down and let us know your views on the future of AI. That's all for this video. Hope you have enjoyed the video. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel for such interesting topics. Catch you in the next video. Until then, peace.